Here are some must-haves for a summer of fun and adventure. Clothing and accessories: lightweight, breathable clothing such as cotton, linen, or rayon, wide-brimmed hats or caps to shield your face and neck from the sun, sunglasses with UV protection to safeguard your eyes, comfortable sandals or shoes with good arch support, scarves or bandanas to protect your neck from the sun. When it comes to dressing for summer, it's all about comfort and practicality. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are a must, as they allow for airflow and help keep you cool. Wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses are also essential for protecting your skin from the harsh sun. The Derma Co sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++ is a summer essential to protect your skin. Absorb excess sweat, prevent stains on clothing, reduce odor, lightweight and discreet, ensure all-day comfort. The benefits of sunscreen. Sunscreen is a crucial component of any summer routine. The importance of staying fresh and odor-free. Staying fresh and odor-free is essential for both physical and mental well-being. When we sweat, our bodies release a combination of water and salts, which can lead to unpleasant odors. Further details on this topic will be provided shortly.